Let's see, Amy asked, is there anything you can do while introducing foods in infants to prevent picky eating? Yeah, there sure is. In my book, Raising a Healthy, Happy Eater, which you see right here over my shoulder, that's written with Dr. Namali Fernando. And she and I wrote that book specifically to get parents started early on, making sure that their child's on the path to adventurous eating and that they keep going even during that natural phase of picky eating that toddlers tend to go through. And a couple things that you can do for infants. Definitely, you want to make sure that you're offering a variety of purees and handheld solids. The purees are wonderful because you can get so many different flavors. You can even spice them up a tiny bit, maybe not as much as I would like, but enough that an infant gets a little bit of a kick, you know. You can add so many different vegetables and fruits and grains to purees. You can take anything that the family's eating that night, throw it in a magic bullet, add a little liquid, and now you've got a really savory, flavorful puree. You can even puree up apple pie if you want, you know, if you want to give them a little treat. So the beauty of that is when you feed a child purees, they get so many varieties of not just flavor, but also the aroma and a variety of textures, depending on how much you blend it up. At the same time, continue to offer them soft handheld foods like squishy avocado. And don't hesitate to sprinkle a few herbs on top of the avocado, you know, nothing too big like rosemary, but you might put maybe some herbs de Provence on there because that's going to melt right into the avocado and really give the kids a different flavor. So you can change things up in that way, and that's the key. Offering a variety so that what kids learn is, this is fun to put new foods in my mouth and experience what it's like. Don't let a little grimace or a shudder stop you from offering it. It's their first time. It's their first time. They're going to have a sensory reaction like that. If those reactions continue and the child starts to hesitate about eating a food, definitely read those cues and encourage them with some other foods and reintroduce that one. But if you've ever watched videos on YouTube of babies eating lemons, have you ever noticed the baby always makes this horrible face and then they go back for more? That's just how babies' brains work. So give them the chance to go for more.